Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about invoices, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on one of my other videos, and that is, how do you create an invoice? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, this is going to be a really quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Also, I want to let you know there are a lot of different websites and programs you can use to make an invoice. But for this video, I'm going to show you a free and quick way to create some of your first invoices. But why would you want to create an invoice anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you're just starting out your online business and one of your customers asked you to go ahead and invoice them, but you're not sure how to create one and you don't really want to pay a service to do it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process, and I sent some of my first invoices with Google Sheets. This is one of the Google Docs. It is a free program, so you can go ahead and download this Google Sheets app. It's this green and white one right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to go ahead and open up my Google Sheets now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my Google Sheets. Now, if you don't really know how to use Excel or anything like that, don't worry, because in Google Sheets, they give you a free template for creating an invoice that you can send directly to your customers, and you can go ahead and edit it. So once you're here in the Google Sheets app, in order to create an invoice, you need to click on this colorful plus button down here on the bottom right. Once you do that, you're going to see these two options, and you want to go ahead and choose this one here called Choose Template. Okay, so Google Sheets makes it really easy if you'd like to create an invoice quickly and for free. So you want to go ahead and choose their invoice template, and what you do is just scroll down until you see this section here called Work, and there's a template here called Invoice. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, once you click there, then you will have an invoice template already set up, so you can go ahead and easily edit this. So first, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and click on whatever box you want to change. So here you can go ahead and just type in the name of your company. So it says your company, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that, and let me go ahead and just change that, Make Money, and then you can go ahead and change your address. And this is basically run just like an Excel spreadsheet. So you just click into the little boxes and you can go ahead and edit them. So this is going to be your information up here at the top. You can even change this. So you can go ahead and add it as a marketing invoice if you want. And then you can go ahead and add the date. That way your customer knows when the invoice was sent. And here you can go ahead and add in your customer's name. So we'll just write Billy. And then here you can go ahead and make an invoice number and who they're going to make the payment to. So that'll be your company. You can add a project name. So for example, if you're working on their YouTube channel or social media marketing, you can put a due date, and then you can go ahead and add in the items that you're billing them for. So this one is item 1. We'll just say marketing. All right, marketing. And then you can go ahead and add the price. They have it automatically set up at a unit price of 200. You can change it to whatever your price is. If they're ordering more than one, you can go ahead and change the quantity. And then the nice thing is the Google Sheet is automatically going to go ahead and mathematically add that up. So you can see we have a quantity of 2 at 200, so it came up to 400. So you can keep adding in more items if you need to do that. You can go ahead and add notes, and that way your customer knows what this invoice that you created for them is for. And then lastly, the total is going to be 800 in this particular example. You can go ahead and adjust that if you gave them a discount. When you're adding an adjustment, make sure that you add in the negative mark. Otherwise, it's just going to simply add it in again. So we'll do negative 500. So if they made a $500 payment, and then as you can see, with the invoice template from Google Sheets, it automatically adds up the math. So we have an $800 subtotal, $500 payment. So they still owe $300 on their invoice. So once that's done, you can go ahead and save it by clicking this check button here on the top left. And once you're ready to go ahead and send it to your customer, you just simply click on these 3 dots here on the top right. And then you're going to see this drop down menu. After you've created your invoice, you can share and export right here. So here you can go ahead and email a copy directly from your Google Sheets of your invoice that you created. You can also print it right here. So let me go back to my invoice that I created. So as you can see, it is an easy and quick way to create an invoice for free if you're just getting started. However, if you're going to be sending out hundreds or even thousands of invoices, this is not going to be the best program for you. This is more if you're just getting started because of the amount of data entry necessary if you're going to be sending out multiple invoices. But it is a great free way to go ahead and get started to creating invoices. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create an invoice for free, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.